Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Tuesday market webcast. Okay, in our last webcast, late last week, we talked about how the Bears had to fight off the lower Bollinger Band ride there with this, with this lower Bollinger Band, the yellow line, deal with the 9-day, and then work its way back up to the daily middle band, which is the green line there, either as a function of time or as a function of price. Well, we got there fairly quickly, so it was a function of price. We've been here for a couple of days now. You can see that the 20-day is trying to act as resistance here. So job number one, if you're the bulls today, is you need to convert that daily mid-band, which is 39.28 half, get up over the top of that, and try to lift back towards the 50-day exponential moving average, which is sitting at around 40.32. So we go to the hourly, and you can see, look, we've had all these consolidation areas that had been breaking down. And we talked last week about how if you look at this thing, now we're starting to have a series of higher lows. And, it's all in the eye of the beholder. So it's like, well, this is a bear flag that's going to break down, or this is the beginning of the end of the move down. I don't know who's right. It doesn't really matter. If you keep your eye on the 10 handles in front of you, the next 10 handles will take care of itself, so on and so forth. I'm going to zoom this out a little bit because what's important now is, as we head into the end of the month, is they filled this little gap. The question is, can they get back to this consolidation zone, which is going to coincide with that 50-day exponential moving average, which has been, it was problematic. We consolidated there on the daily chart for about 7 or 8 sessions. If you can do that, then do you finish the month up and testing the monthly pivot there at 40.80.92? I don't know. I do know that making a higher high versus yesterday's high is going to bring that 39.50 area into play. And though the 50s, just like the round numbers, we had a little bit of a battle down at 3,900. The Bears had a lot of trouble yesterday during the regular session converting 3,900 to resistance. They basically couldn't do it. They took another look down there last night, made it down about 3:30 in the morning down to the 39.08 area. Couldn't hold. So do we consolidate at 50 for a bit? Yeah, probably. I mean, what's a bit? Half a day maybe. And that is a battle that if you're a bear, that's a battle that you really got to win. If not, they're going to take the next 50 handles pretty efficiently. And we'll be talking about 4,000 and the impact of that. Now, all this is subject to, whatever nasty little piece of news is coming out next. But a lot of these unknowns are becoming known. I think you can see a little bit farther down the road with some of this interest rate stuff. And, and you have to choose, are you going to live in this new environment, and what are you going to do? Are you going to put everything into bonds? Are you going to buy stocks? Are you going to do whatever? And as that all gets normalized, we'll see what it does to the indexes. Do I think it's going to be ramped straight up and go? No, I don't think so. I do think both sides are going to have their moment. I think it's going to be a very two-sided market, which is a very trader-friendly tape, which is why through it all, we've been doing, it's been a great, 2022 has been fantastic in the room. I mean, our mantra this year has been trade less, make more. And we're putting out 3, 4, 5 setups a day. And all we're trying to do is really catch a couple of directional things, get our day done. And then we spend most of the afternoon just letting runners work, knock on wood. So right now, most important number on the board, 39.28 to 39.30 daily midband. That's your delineator, always your delineator of whether you are sell rallies or buy dips. So we are still in a sell rallies tape. Until they deal with daily midband, keep it there, make it support, push off of it, then you're back into a buy dips tape. Not there yet. They could not convert it yesterday. So far today, they haven't been able to convert it either. They made a run at it about 5:15 in the morning. They made a run at it about 7:15. We'll see what happens as we get into the regular session. Okay. Hourly midband, 39.11 half, essentially. Volume weighted average price, 39.14s. Per our proprietary moving average, 39.25 area. You got your 5-minute mid just above at 26.5, and we talked about the daily midband sitting up 28.29. So all those areas are going to be key today. All right, that's all I got. Everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care, trade them well. Come join us in the room. Come learn how to trade this stuff. Come trade this stuff with us and see if it can, make a difference to your bottom line. I think it will in a positive way. All right, take care, be well, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Trade them well.